Welcome back everyone! This lesson is going to be all about numbers from 11 up to 100. So after studying those, you will be fully equipped to talk about age and many other things involving numbers. Let's begin! We have already studied the numbers from 1 to 10 together in an earlier lesson, so this time we will continue from 11. I will pronounce each number twice, and you please pronounce them after me. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Now that we have reached 20, let's look at all the numbers in intervals of tens until 100. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Did you notice that the number 30 seems to be an exception here? Right, it is the only number that ends with sich instead of sich. But how about all those numbers in between, like 21 and so on? This is actually an interesting thing in the German language, because we will pronounce the smaller number first and the intervals of 10 second. So we will not say 21, but instead 1 and 20. Let me show you what this looks like. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And we are back to 30, 30. Now, how can you actually ask someone about their age? Here again, we differentiate between a polite formal question and the informal way of addressing someone. So you can either ask, wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? Oder, wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? And you can then answer by saying, ich bin, and then the number, and Jahre alt, although the latter part is optional. Ich bin 30 and ich bin 30 Jahre alt are both equally correct. So let's practice that together, starting small. Wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? Ich bin 1 Jahr alt. Ich bin 1 Jahr alt. At least this is what the baby would say if it could already talk at 1 year of age. How about this girl? Ask her about her age, then answer for her with the given number. Wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? Ich bin 6 Jahre alt. Ich bin 6 Jahre alt. Or just simply, ich bin 6. Here we have an elderly lady and a young teenager. Now let those two ask each other about their age, starting with the teenager. Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? Ich bin 82. Ich bin 82. Und wie alt bist du? Und wie alt bist du? Ich bin 19. Ich bin 19. You see how the teenager uses polite formal language while the old lady addresses her in an informal style? And lastly, how about these two? Help the guy tell her his age. Ich bin 37 Jahre alt. Und Sie? Ich bin 37 Jahre alt. Und Sie? Das ist ein Geheimnis. Das ist ein Geheimnis. Never ask a lady about her age in Germany. That is normally not very appreciated. And she will most likely be eternally 29 anyways. Good job, everybody! Now you can already count till 100 in German. What else can we do with that apart from talking about age? Right, we can learn how to tell the time in German. Let's do that in our next lesson. I'll see you there.